Welcome to the Astronaut Essay Challenge. This video explains the problem we'll solve and accompanies the book by the same name, Astronaut Essay Challenge. My goal right now is to help you understand what the problem is we need to solve and why we're using Python to do it. Consider an imaginary online newspaper. This newspaper receives articles from journalists all over the world every day. But the newspaper receives too many articles for its human editor team to have time to review all of them, and that's not fair. The newspaper wants to know which articles it should review. Namely, it wants to know which articles are probably formally enough written that they merit the consideration of the editorial team. Certain articles are simply not formal enough. That is to say, they include informal language. Language that if you owned the newspaper, you would not want to put into print or into the internet, as the case may be. So your job as the programmer is to consider how could you teach the computer to look for certain words and screen out essays or articles which contain those words. Your first task as a programmer is not to write a program, it's to read the essays and to think about them. I've provided 2 essays for your consideration. Pause the video, read both essays, and identify any informal words. I'll wait. Now that you've had a chance to read both essays, what do you think it is that makes writing less formal? Did you succeed in identifying informal words? I hope so. In the next video, I'll show you how to put those, I'll describe a trick you can use to put those into Python.